Hi friends! Guess what? The flip is finally done, and I had to go across the street to the neighbor's house to try and get a vantage point where you can see most of the house. But take a look! Isn't it adorable? Oh my gosh, our blood, sweat, and tears has gone into this. I can't believe it's been about 5 months since we bought it. After all this hard work that it finally hit the market. We had our first open house on Sunday, and a funny story about that, we had a huge pile of mulch and dirt that were in the front yard, and a guy was supposed to come pick them up, and he never showed up. So this incredible neighborhood that this house is in came out and brought their shovels and brought their wheelbarrows, and everyone helped us clean up these monumental piles of landscaping supplies that were in the street in front of the house. It was incredible. I've never seen anything like it. So really goes to show the power of the community coming together and helping out. On the flip side of that, I just found out today that we have to lower our fence because another not so nice neighbor complained because it's 8 inches too high. It's a side yard. I guess technically because we're a corner lot, it's considered a front yard, and so we're a little bit above regulations. So Jorge is grinding away to lower this fence and make it within regulation, and he's just been absolutely wonderful. But first open house went great. We barely got everything together, but we did. Like I said, we had the dirt piles and all that, and we did some wonderful things out here to the front. We resurfaced the walkway and the driveway and the front patio. They were in great shape, but the concrete was just a little old and dingy, so the resurfacing was a perfect solution for that because it didn't need to be replaced. I beefed up the columns. I added black gutters for a pop. I haven't put the house numbers up yet, but I did get a new roof as well, and a lot of landscaping. It just looks so pretty. We do have a little bit of the grass that we want to fill in as well. There's a couple of little bare spots from all the construction, and then the new fence is going up as well. So the inside looks great. The outside does too. Like I said, it just hit the market. Hopefully we'll get a buyer soon, and thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to see more videos of the finished product on the inside. All right, bye.